Hello my dear friends and students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the two operators, that is the membership operator and the identity operator. What is the membership operator? It is used to check if a given value is a member of the given sequence or not. And it also evaluates to true or false. And in the membership operator, uh, two operators are there. First one is in and second one is not in and not in. And the next operator is the identity operator. It is also of two types, is and is not. Is and is not. Remember, membership operator in, not in, identity operator is and is not. And the identity operator is used to check if both the operands reference the same object memory. Identity operator compares the memory location of two objects and return true or false. What do they compare? They compare the memory location of two objects. किसी भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के उनके मेमोरी लोकेशन को वो कंपेयर करता है और उसके बाद ये रिटर्न करता है ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, आज के लिए हम लोग इतना ही रखते हैं. टिल देन, गुड बाय, टेक केयर.